Samsung Link to Windows is an application that allows you to connect your Samsung Galaxy phone and Windows PC together seamlessly. This feature allows you to transfer your photos, manage notifications, respond to incoming calls, and send messages between your phone and computer. You can also mirror your phone screen on your PC so that you can navigate your phone without having to pick it up. Follow the steps to get your phone connected. First, make sure the Link to Windows feature is enabled on your phone. Navigate to an Open Settings, then tap Connected Devices, and then tap Link to Windows. Tap the switch next to Link to Windows and follow any on-screen instructions if prompted. On your PC, find Phone Link app. Then choose the same Microsoft account linked to your phone. Click on Pair with QR code and scan the code on your phone to link the two devices. Now, there's no need to unlock your phone. Microsoft Phone Link enables you to read texts and respond directly from your PC. Review your call history, search contacts, or dial to make calls from your Windows computer. View the last 2,000 images from your camera, and drag and drop or copy and paste them into other apps. Phone Link gives you the added versatility of being able to access and transfer information from an extra device. Instead of looking away from your screen and pulling out your phone to see notifications, it's a notification on your PC.